is Lindie Derrick with Coldwell Banker, and we'd like to wish you happy 2018 and invite you to this weekend's open houses. It might be cold outside, but it's warm inside, so come on and give us a visit. But warm inside, lots of houses. Come show your love for the houses. I don't know. Okay, 18. There's tons. There's tons. Okay, sorry. It started off better and took a dive. Oh.
It took a sharp dive.
Back up. Hi, my name is Lindie Derrick, and we would like to wish you a happy, nope, let me start over. Hi, this is Lindie, hi, this is, and that's a tree. Sorry. Houses of 2018.
That was you. I can't.